Jonathan Keith with Colorado Medical Solutions. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
All right. Can you tell us who you are?
My name is Denise Melone.
Okay. And how old are you, Denise?
I'm sorry?
How old are you?
73.
And where are you from?
I am originally from Madison, Wisconsin,
It's too cold
but
over there.
I'm associated with the Air Force, so I've been in many different places.
Oh, great. And what service have you done with us?
I have done my knees, my neck, my back, low back.
Okay, so a good amount of areas. And how do you feel now?
I was in a lot of pain. Rain makes my back worse, but now it's getting better. And so I'm keep coming because it gets better every time I come.
That's really good to hear. Would you recommend Colorado Medical Solutions to anyone else?
Anyone, I have already recommended it to a couple people that told me their back was really bad when I seen them walking all crinked over. And I told them to call you guys.
Well, thank you very much. Do you have anything else to add?
Nope, just I'll keep coming till I get really good so I don't have to come.
All right, thank you.